History. For the first time ever, the government will launch a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. It's designed to allow the president of the United States to address the country within 10 minutes from any location at any time. The system was not used on 9/11, which some critics say proves the U.S. is still living with an outdated warning system. So if you're watching television or you're listening to the radio, you are about to hear it. We're told it will last just 30 seconds.
1370.
Test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
Take on the severe spending cuts necessary to pull Greece out of...
He loved life.
Alert type is tornado. Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for Pembina and southwestern Thompson municipalities in southern Manitoba, which includes the city of Emerson. A confirmed tornado has been spotted by law enforcement and weather observers about 5 miles south of the city of Emerson. Residents in Emerson are to get into a sturdy shelter immediately. If you are out on the road, leave your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area. Protect yourself from flying debris by crouching down and covering your head with your hands. Do not wait for the tornado to arrive before taking cover.
Family said in a short statement today, our family is devastated at the loss of our...
Fareregn kommer til Danmark, Følgeby, København, Helsingør, Aarhus, Aalborg, Esbjerg, Odense og andre byer i Danmark, hele markedet i Danmark. Regn indeholder som alvorlige allergiske reaktioner og vejrtrækningsvanskeligheder. Vidner rapporterer om, at symptomerne opstod efter en kraftig regn. Flere dødsfald efter regnskabet er blevet rapporteret. Skynd dig til et hus eller andet beskyttet sted. Hvis du ikke har tættere ly, gå indendørs og luk døren, vinduerne og ventilationen. Gå ikke ud efter regn. Regn kan være virus i luften, når du er udendørs. Lige nu er ukendt regn en hurtig vej til andre byer. Gå ikke ud nu. Bliv indendørs.